Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So I'm glad to announce that a new affiliate program was launched for Headless Browser API. So this is a website that I created which offers an API as a service to render JavaScript generated content on any website and to be able to scrape that content using the scrapers that I created or even the scrapers that you create. So this website offers an API and it will render the JavaScript from websites and return it to you, so you will be able to scrape the HTML content from it. Also, a big bonus of this website is that it offers also a Tor node which scrapes also the dark web and websites from the dark web, the onion website. So everything that can be achieved here and everything can be scraped using this API. But now let me tell you details about the new affiliate program that was launched for Headless Browser API. And if you go to the website and click affiliates, you will see details about the affiliate program. So Headless Browser API uses cloud browser, headless browser instances to scrape JavaScript generated content, and it will offer 40% lifetime recurring revenue for each subscription that you generate. So let's say, and let's check also pricing now. So let's say you generate a sale for the Headless Scraper plan here. So 40% of $40 is $9. So $9 will be awarded to you each month that the customer you referred has an active subscription. So month after month after month, if the customer makes a new renewal of his subscription, that you will get 40% of his subscription also. So this is a recurring revenue potential, and if you send 10 customers, for example, and all will create their new subscription monthly, you will get $40 monthly, so $90 monthly, sorry. Also, if they create a larger subscription, you will get more. So the best part is that you will earn more after the more clients you refer. So if you send 100 or more clients and referrals to Headless Browser API, you will start automatically earning 50% lifetime recurring commissions instead of 40%. So this means that 50% of each and every sale that you generate, you will get the money for it, and also in a recurring basis. So how this will work is get your affiliate link, start promoting the services offered by Headless Browser API and start earning. First, you will start earning 40%, and after you make 100 referrals, you will earn 50%. So go ahead guys, click on the link from this video description and you will find details about this referral program and affiliate program there. And you will be able to sign up for Headless Browser API. So if we click on an incognito tab, you will be able to sign up for Headless Browser API affiliates program here. If you are already a subscriber for Headless Browser API and you are using its services, you will also be able to sign up as an affiliate, and you will need also to sign up and fill in this form, and you will be able to start promoting Headless Browser API. So now let's go ahead and check the dashboard of Headless Browser API. I'm logged in here using a testing account. You can see the number of referrals, the earnings, how much you still have until the 50% premium affiliate rank, and your EPC 3 months and 7 days. This is a quick dashboard where you can see total referrals, paid, unpaid, and total payout transactions, and some overviews. You can edit your account details here, you can change your password here, you can set your payout details. So payout currently is made using PayPal. You can enter your PayPal address here, and monthly basis there will be payouts to your PayPal address that you enter here. So don't forget to enter your PayPal address here where you want to get your payouts. Also, you can customize your affiliate slug. This can be done here in the affiliate slug customizer. You can get your affiliate slug from here. So you can have your generic slug, which is your username, and tracking code, and also a custom slug which can be set from here. So let's say I write here custom slug, which can be between 4 and 10 characters long, so don't forget this. And after I save and go to my dashboard and refresh, my custom slug appeared here. Also, we can have a link generator where you can generate custom tracking codes for any website link. From this website, you can enter the link here, paste it here, and select the reference type, tracking code or custom slug, and friendly links or default link format. You can create your own custom affiliate links. You can create also campaigns. You can add your unique campaign slug, and you can make different campaigns be tracked more wisely, and you can create your custom links for the campaigns that you create here. Also, the referrals that you generated will be listed here, payments that were so far created here, some reports about the people you sent, clicks you sent, traffic log, campaign reports, referrer history, and also some help to let you know details about the affiliate program. And you will see here that you will earn 30% lifetime commission until you refer 100 people, and afterwards 50% lifetime commission, recurring commission paid using PayPal on a monthly basis. Okay, so keep in mind this is available for Headless Browser API now. Go ahead and sign up for affiliate account. If you are already using the service, you can also sign up and start earning using Headless Browser API. So yeah, this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please subscribe to this channel. It is really appreciated. And until next time, have a nice day. Bye bye.